Okay, as usual in our previous class, today I am presented here for you, my dear student, and good morning to you all, and good morning to my parents. Yes, we started our unit 3, and we already discussed in our previous class about this heritage folk song, and similarly as folk musical instrument and this folk dance. Okay, we discussed about this differentiate between this folk dance and this classical dance in our previous class. Now today I would like to start the next lesson 5, that is our national days. Okay, my dear student, today our topic is our national days. We must have to know this concept, or can say as the definition about this national days. Okay, what is national day? Okay, राष्ट्रीय दिवसहरू भनेका के हुन् त? First of all, we must have to understand this concept at the beginning of this our lesson, and our lesson is National Day. Okay, what is National Day? The special day that we celebrate nationwide. It is a special day. Okay, यो विशेष दिन, यो विशेष उत्सव that we celebrate is national wide. Okay, राष्ट्रिय स्तरमा हामी यस्ता दिवसहरू हामी मनाउँछौँ from the government level or this local level to related various events. विभिन्न घटनाक्रमहरू, इतिहासका हामीले पानाहरू पल्टाउने हो भने विभिन्न चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि घटनाहरू घटेका छन्. Okay, to related various events such as great revolution, similarly celebrations of these achievements and days dedicated to someone. Okay, we celebrate those days is known as this national days. Those important days we celebrate at this nationwide to commemorate. Okay, सम्झना दिवस को रूप में we celebrate such types of these days are known as the national days. Okay, the various national days we celebrate in this our country. For example, Martyrs Day, हामी शहीद दिवसहरू मनाउँछौँ. Especially it is celebrated on this each 16th March. Similarly, we celebrate Children's Day, and we celebrate this Children's Day on this 29th Bhadra every year. Similarly, we celebrate this Constitution Day on 3rd Ashuj. We celebrate this Democracy Day on 7th Phagun. Okay. Similarly, we celebrate this Education Day on 8th September in every year. Similarly, we celebrate the International Women Day. Okay, on 8th March. Similarly, we also celebrate the International Labor Day. It is also known as the May Day. Okay, some people say May Diwas also. So this International Labor Day we celebrate in each 1st May. Okay, so all these are these national days we celebrate. Okay, nationwide. Okay, such types of these days are known as these national days. Okay, so after learning the concept about these national days, and our focus point is that how is the question is asked in this examination. Okay, my dear student, our focus point must be that how the question is asked, if the question is how this question is asked, and how to answer this, how to give this answer about such types of the questions. So now listen me here. Question may be asked you all like this. Okay, now listen me here. The national day should not be limited only on देश होलिडेज. प्राय जसो हाम्रो चाहिँ राष्ट्रिय दिवसहरूमा बिदा दिने चलन रहेको पाइन्छ. त यस्ता चाहिँ दिवसहरूलाई हामी चाहिँ बिदाको रूपमा मनाउँदा उचित हुन्छ या यसलाई चाहिँ के भन्दा उत्सवको रूपमा मनाउँदाखेरि उपयुक्त हुन्छ त. Like this question is asked. Okay, the national day should not be limited only on the holidays. Okay, our martyrs who sacrifice their life for the nation, for the freedom, for the democracy, for this peace and prosperity, they are sacrificing their life to spend our leisure time at the home. त्यही सपना थियो त चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि हाम्रो चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि शहीदहरुको. Now listen to me here. The national day should not be limited only on these holidays. They should be observed effectively according to the spirit. Manobhav. Spirit means this manobhav of these days. What can be done for this? Mention your logics in 4 points. हाम्रा जति पनि राष्ट्रिय दिवसहरू छन् ती दिवसहरूलाई चाहिँ बिदाको रूपमा मनाउन के उपयुक्त छ त? शहीदहरू मरेका हामीलाई बिदा दिनको लागि हो त? त्यही सपना थियो त उनीहरुको. Now listen to me here how the question is asked in this examination. Okay, The national day should not be as limited. त्यसलाई चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि साँगुरो र घेराभित्र लिमिट गर्नु हुँदैन. Only on this holidays, विदाजहरुमा चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि छुट्टीहरुमा चाहिँ लिमिट गर्नु हुँदैन है. And similarly, they should be as observed effectively according to the spirit of this day. त्यो डे को, त्यो दिन को महत्व के रहेको थियो त, त्यसको स्पिरिट के त, त्यसको मनोभाव के थियो त. त यस्ता किसिमका चाहिँ डेजहरुलाई चाहिँ मनाउनका लागि के गर्नुपर्छ? You must have to present your logics. Like this, the question is asked in this examination. Okay. So if such types of the question is asked in this examination, then how we must have to create this answer? How you must have to create? How you must have to give this answer? This is our consideration. Now listen me. The first program should be as organized as highlighting, okay, the significance of this national days. यस्ता चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि राष्ट्रिय दिवसहरुको सिग्निफिकेन्सहरु, महत्वहरु झल्काउने किसिमका चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि गतिविधिहरु, प्रोग्राम्सहरुलाई लन्च गर्नु पर्दछ. Not to is limited only in these holidays. Okay, like this you have to create the answer in your examination. Similarly, new programs, नयाँ किसिमका चाहिँ कार्यक्रमहरु, okay, and this creative activities, रचनात्मक चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि कार्यहरु है, मतलब के त भन्दाखेरि इन्क्लुड गरेर यस्ता किसिमका चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि राष्ट्रिय दिवसहरु चाहिँ के गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ, मनाउनु पर्ने हुन्छ. New programs and creative activities should be organized. The government should encourage to observe these national days in each and every nook and corner of the nations, and similarly the government and concerned authority must highlight these programs through these medias. विभिन्न मिडियाजहरुको थ्रुबाट यस्ता प्रोग्राम्सहरुलाई के गर्न जरुरी छ त भन्दाखेरि हाइलाइट गर्न चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि जरुरी छ. प्लस it must be given top priority. Such types of the measures should be done. Such types of the measures, such types of this effective work and activities should be launched or done in each and every nook and corner of this nation to celebrate our national days. Like this, my dear student, you must have to create the answer in your examination. And similarly, how this question may be asked, okay, like this also, Republic Day, Ganatantra Divas, hami pratek, okay, 15th Jet we celebrate about this Republic Day. It is the newly added national days to us also, and it is included in this curriculum too in social study. The Republic Day is observed on the 15th Jet every year. Okay, the Republic Day, how the question is asked, okay, that must be our focus point. That should be considerations in this mind for this student. So I'm just giving the ideas how the question is asked in this examination. Okay, the Republic Day is observed on the 15th Jet every year. प्रत्येक 15 ज्येष्ठमा हामीहरु चाहिँ गणतन्त्र दिवस हामी मनाउँछौं. Okay, Republic means that the rule of these people, where there is no space of the king, there is no space of this autocratic rule, there is no space about the despotism, okay, or this tyrannical rule, or there is no space about this family rule. So for that, okay, many peoples will sacrifice their life to bring the republic, so that we celebrate the Republic Day on every year 15th Jet. Okay, so now listen me here, how the question is asked in this examinations, okay, to you. The Republic Day is observed on 15th Jet every year. What activities should be conducted? कस्ता किसिमका चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि प्रोग्राम्सहरु, कस्ता किसिमका चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि क्रियाकलापहरु यो दिनमा गर्नुपर्छ. Listen me nicely. Conduct to increase the people's participation widely. हामीले प्राप्त गरेको यस्ता उपलब्धिहरुमा जनताहरुको बढी सहभागिता गराएर यस्ता राष्ट्रिय दिवसहरुलाई कसरी मनाउनु पर्दछ? What are the measures should be done? Like this the question is asked. In another way also the question is asked, what programs should be or what activities should be conducted to increase this public participation widely in this day. So now listen to me, write a letter to this auditor. सम्पादकलाई चिट्ठी लेख्नुहोस्. Like this the question is asked. Such types of the questions is given in the 10th set also, and it is given in this textbook also in the lesson in exercise. Similarly, such types of the question is given in this 30 days practice too. The what activities should be conducted to increase, okay, the people's participation widely on this day. Write a letter to this auditor of national daily newspaper, including your activities, including your views. Not your activities, your views. By including your views, what must be done in this day to yes, make the people wider range of the participation to celebrate this national day, you have to now write this letter to this edit. सम्पादकलाई चिठी लेख्नुहोस्. Like this question is asked. And my dear student, everybody know that in this C examination, or you can say in CENTAB also, in the pre-CENTAB also, wider means a wide yes paper, okay, answer sheet you got, okay. Then now listen to me here. Now you have to make this box, okay, like this. You must have to yes make the box. How to make your yes letter effective, okay? How to yes you have to write this editor, okay? सम्पादकलाई चिठी कसरी लेख्ने त, and you must have to use this pencil, okay, to make your answer attractive, okay. You have to yes you sketch this box like this, okay, like this. You sketch the box, okay, with this pencil, not by the pen, okay. And inside whatever you have to yes write, you can use this pen, okay. So in the right hand side you must have to give what this your address. You must have to give what your address, either BB Path, either Bhanu Path, either Prabhat Path, okay, either yes your yes address. So I am writing here the BP Path, ward number 8 or 9 or 10, whatever it is, okay, and Siddhartha Nagar, Bhairava, and you must have to write this date, okay. You must have to write the date of today, means that when you appear in the examination, what is the date of that day, that you must have to write here. So today is 23rd Vaisakh 2077, okay. In the right hand side you have to give your address, and in the left to the auditor, the Rising Nepal. You can use any yes national daily, either Rising Nepal, either Kathmandu Post, either Kantipur Daily, either Gorkha Patra, either Republica, anyone you can yes write yes national daily, okay. And you must have to give this address also of that yes national daily. The Rising Nepal, its address lies in Dharmapath, Kathmandu, okay. Like this you have to give this address about this what, this national daily. And subject, then after you have to mention the subject, त्यसपछि के त भन्दाखेरि विषयमा प्रवेश गर्नु पर्दछ, okay. Subject about observing this public day, है, रिपब्लिक डे लाई चाहिँ हामी कसरी मनाउने त, about this observing, मनाउने भनेको observing भनेको मनाउने this Republic Day. Then after in the downside, just yes, just below of the line, straight line, you have to write this, dear sir, I would like to draw your attention, म तपाईको ध्यान आकर्षण गर्न चाहन्छु towards the yes proper celebration of the Republic Day. Republic Day लाई व्यवस्थित रूपमा है मनाउनका लागि के गर्नुपर्छ त, के गर्दा चाहिँ के त भन्दा उपयुक्त हुन्छ, म ध्यान आकर्षण गराउन चाहन्छु. Like this you have to write this answer in examination. So I would like to draw attention towards the proper celebration of yes Republic Day. First of all you have to make this box with the help of the pencil, okay. My dear student, take the idea with me how to yes write this letter to this editor. सम्पादकलाई कसरी चिठी लेख्ने, okay. In this way from any lesson, in this way from any lesson, from any unit, the question is asked to you. Write a letter to this editor, either about this heritage, either about this folk song, either about the national days, okay, either about any yes province, either about yes any yes other yes lessons too. So take the idea how to write this editor, how to write this letter to this editor, okay. So at the beginning time in this right hand side you have to give your address. I am writing here BP Path, part number 8, either 9, either 10, whatever your address, okay. This is only the idea to you. And Siddhartha Nagar, Bhairava, okay. And जुन दिनमा चाहिँ एक्जाम तिमीहरु दिन्छौ त्यही दिनको चाहिँ डेट के गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ, मेन्सन गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ. सो टुडे इज दिस 23rd वैशाख, सो आई एम मेन्सनिङ द 23rd वैशाख 2077. एक्जाम परेको दिनमा जुन चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि गते परेको हुन्छ त्यही गते लेख्ने. यहाँ नेपाली डेट लेखे पनि हुन्छ, इंग्लिश डेट लेखे पनि हुन्छ, गल्ती हुँदैन, ओके. अनि टु द अडिटर, त्यसपछि टु द अडिटर द राइजिङ नेपाल, आइदर एस काठमाडौँ पोस्ट, आइदर कान्तिपुर, ओके, आइदर रिपब्लिका, any one yes national daily you can yes use it here to write the editor, and you must have to give this address of that yes national daily, okay, don't forget that. And the Rising Nepal that lies in the Dharmapath, Kathmandu, and you have to go in this now subject. या एड्रेस दिइसकेपछि त्यो नेशनल डेलीको एड्रेस दिइसकेपछि हामी केमा प्रवेश गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ, विषयमा प्रवेश गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ. द सब्जेक्ट अबाउट अब्जर्भिङ दिस रिपब्लिक डे जे सोधेको छ त्यही लेख्ने रिपब्लिक डे यदि सोधेको छ भने डेमोक्रेसी डे त डेमोक्रेसी डे यु मस्ट ह्याभ टु मेन्सन हियर आइदर यस वाट कन्स्टिट्युसन डे आइदर यस वुमेन्स डे आइदर चिल्ड्रेन्स डे जे सोधेको छ हामीले सब्जेक्टमा त्यही लेख्नुपर्ने हुन्छ एन्ड सिमिलरली डियर सर अब हामीले सम्बोधन गर्नु पर्यो ओके डियर सर आई वुड लाइक टु ड्र योर एटेन्सन तपाईको म ध्यान आकर्षण गराउन चाहन्छु हाउ टु यस सेलिब्रेट द प्रपर सेलिब्रेसन अफ द रिपब्लिक डे जुन डे सोधेको हुन्छ त्यही डे हामीले लेख्नुपर्ने हुन्छ ओके माय डियर स्टुडेन्ट टेक द आइडिया विथ मी नट सो हार्ड भेरी इजी द रिपब्लिक डे विथ दिस वाइडर पार्टिसिपेसन ओके व्यापक मात्रामा जनतालाई सहभागिता गराएर है नेशनल डे कसरी मनाउनु पर्छ that is our yes topic that is our yes question so that I would like to draw your attention towards the proper celebration of Republic Day with the wider participation है व्यापक मात्रामा जनसहभागितालाई चाहिँ के भन्दाखेरि वृद्धि गरेर हैन आउने दिनहरुमा नेशनल डेजहरु यसरी मनाउनु पर्छ भनेर तिमीले आफ्नो भावना दिइराछौ आफ्नो विचार व्यक्त गरेको छौ लेटरको माध्यमबाट कसलाई सम्पादकलाई एडिटरलाई ओके द सेलिब्रेसन हैज बीन जस्ट फर्मल एन्ड फ्रुटलेस है हामी प्राय जसो प्रत्येक वर्षमा विभिन्न चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि नेशनल डेजहरु मनाउँछौं हैन राष्ट्रिय चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि दिवसहरु मनाउँछौं राष्ट्रिय दिवसहरु मनाउँछन् त्यसलाई हामी फर्मल रूपमा मात्र हामी मनाउँछौं है एन्ड व्हिच इज दिस फ्रुटलेस जसको चाहिँ उद्देश्य हामी प्राप्त गर्न सकिरहेका हुँदैनौं सो दैट इन द यस नाउ लिसन टु मी वन्स अगेन द सेलिब्रेसन हैज बीन जस्ट फर्मल एन्ड फ्रुटलेस इन दिस पास्ट गएका दिनहरुमा गएका वर्षहरुमा जति पनि यस्ता राष्ट्रिय दिवसहरु हामीले मनायौं या चाहिँ कि विभिन्न चाहिँ कि भन्दाखेरि सरकार पक्षहरुले मनाए या सरकारहरुले मनाए त्यो मात्रै के थियो त भन्दाखेरि फर्मल रूपमा एउटा चाहिँ कि भन्दाखेरि फ्रुटलेस आधारमा त्यसलाई मनाइयो तिमीले आफ्नो भावना आफ्नो विचार व्यक्त गरिरहेको तर यसरी मनाइएका यस्ता नेशनल डेजहरुको कुनै पनि चाहिँ कि औचित्य रहेन लाइक दिस यु हैव टु क्रिएट द आन्सर इन एक्जामिनेसन द पार्टिसिपेसन अफ दिस पीपल वाज अल्सो भेरी लो त गएका दिनहरुमा जे जति हामी चाहिँ राष्ट्रिय दिवसहरु मनायौं है जति पनि चाहिँ राष्ट्रिय दिवसहरु मनायौं त्यसमा चाहिँ जनसहभागिता पनि एकदमै कम रहेको थियो कम रहेका थिए है यसरी राष्ट्रिय दिवसहरु मनाउनुको कुनै चाहिँ औचित्य रहँदैन कुनै औचित्य रहेनन् लाइक दिस यु हैव टु क्रिएट द आन्सर त लिसन मी नाइसली देयरफोर त्यसैले ओके देयरफोर आई वुड लाइक टु सजेस्ट द फलोइङ मेजर्स इन दिस कमिङ डेज आउने दिनहरुमा यस्ता चाहिँ कि राष्ट्रिय दिवसहरुलाई मनाउनका लागि म केही आफ्ना सुझावहरु दिन चाहन्छु like this you have to yes create the answer okay so therefore I would like to yes suggest the yes following yes measures in coming days how to yes celebrate these days which are mentioned below which are yes cited below now first there must be this massive yes publicity यो दिवस मनाउनु भन्दा 4-5 दिन अगाडि 1-2 हप्ता अगाडिबाट नै मेसिभ चाहिँ पब्लिसिटीहरु प्रचार प्रसार गर्नु पर्यो including about its importance medias fm radios newspapers okay social medias internet such types of the yes, things should be yes, adapted to make the people more aware about the importance of Republic Day so that people know yes it is our yes national day we must have to participate we must have to give the help that is we must have to participate we must have to contribute we must have to do the something new in this day to make the people feel all about this okay there must be this massive vyapak publicity advertisement okay that should be yes done before 5 days 1 week 1 month यस्ता किसिमका गतिविधिहरू गर्न सकियो भने पिपल्सहरुलाई कन्सियस बनाउन सकियो भने मात्रै पिपलहरुको जनसहभागितालाई हामीले मतलब चाहिँ वृद्धि गर्न सक्छौं इन रिपब्लिक डे in this way my dear student you must have to create the answer means that question is that how to increase the public participation to make them feel about the importance of this Republic Day why it came what is its motto and the goal for what purpose it has came in our nation so that to make feel them about its importance okay the advertisement should be as done before celebrations of the what this national days like Republic Day in this way my dear student you must have to create what here the answer so I am giving this idea to you all so listen me carefully the first one is that there must be this massive publicity व्यापक प्रचार प्रसारहरु गर्नु पर्यो यसको बारेमा चाहिँ के त टेलिभिजनहरुबाट न्यूजहरुबाट भिजुअलाइजहरु गर्नु पर्यो यसको महत्त्वको बारेमा चाहिँ के बताउनु पर्यो पिपल्सहरुलाई अनि बल्ल पिपल्सहरुलाई यसको बारेमा जानकारी हुन्छ र अनि बल्ल उनीहरु यस्ता किसिमका नेशनल डेजहरुमा सहभागी चाहिँ हुन्छन् यसरी चाहिँ के जनसहभागिता हामी बढाउन सक्छौं लाइक दिस यु हैव टु क्रिएट द आन्सर इन योर एक्जामिनेसन सिमिलरली नाउ टु टेक द आइडिया विथ मी all newspapers either local or national yes daily should include this Ganatantra means republic in special page on the republic day को दिनमा प्रत्येक चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि स्थानीय अथवा चाहिँ राष्ट्रिय जति पनि चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि न्यूजपेपरहरु छन् तिनीहरुले बढी प्रायोरिटीहरु दिएर यसको इम्पोर्टेन्सको बारेमा महत्त्वको बारेमा लेख्नु पर्यो र त्यसलाई डिस्ट्रिब्युट गर्नु पर्यो such types of the measures should be adapted to increase the people's participation second now third डिबेट कम्पिटिसन यो दिनमा हामी डिबेट कम्पिटिसन वक्तृत्व चाहिँ के भन्दाखेरि मतलब कम्पिटिसन चाहिँ आयोजना गर्न सक्छौं अनि स्पोर्ट्स प्रोग्राम्सहरु क्विज कम्पिटिशन्स should be conducted at this national wide not only this in the rural areas the concerned authority or the stakeholders must have to motivate encourage to the people for this tree plantation in the barren land यस्तो क्रियाकलापहरु पनि हामी गर्न सक्छौं in this day okay and similarly the government should be compulsory conduct the programs at every government offices in place of giving holidays okay no matter official work and activities must be stopped but the officers okay or you can say bureaucrats karmachari must attend in this office and create this various kinds of these programs related to this what Republic Day if such types of the work and activities if we do okay before celebrating this Republic Day then obviously there is no doubt we can increase the people's participation massively in wider range like this you must have to give the suggestion to this editor to publish in the national daily and lastly I hope my views okay mediate to this concerned stakeholders मैले भनेका यी कुराहरुलाई चाहिँ सरकारवालाहरु समक्ष पक्कै पनि पुग्ने छ यो चाहिँ नेशनल डेलिज को के त भन्दाखेरि मार्फतबाट from your newspapers and last फेरि राइट ह्यान्ड साइडमा इन तर के लेख्दिनु पर्यो योर सिन्सियर or yours okay प्रतीक पौडेल गम्भीर गुरुङ or XYZ or BR Sigdel like this you can mention okay your sincerely like this you have to create what the answer to write what the editor it is very important for examination point of view not only in the topic of this Republic Day in any topic of your lesson or your unit like this the question is asked once again how the question is asked in examination the Republic Day is observed or you can say education day is observed or you can say martyrs day is observed okay or yes women's day is observed any where the question may be asked but idea is same how to write the letter to this editor either about the folk song either about this musical instrument either about the heritage either about this federalism either about the provinces either about the physical features of any province either about the advantage and disadvantage about this federalism either about the sustainable development okay either about this other topic of this lesson like this the question write a letter to the editor like this the question is asked and first of all you must have to make this box with the pencil by using this scale then you have to write what the letter to this editor same method you must have to apply in any lesson in any topic of any units like this you must have to go ahead okay if the question is asked in your examinations okay so like this question is asked in this examination now next I brought one questions here to you how the question is asked in this examination okay are you satisfied yes we celebrate this national days the way of celebrating national days is good or not excellent or not it pacify to or not चित्त बुझेको छ कि छैन त yes our leaders used to go on the statue of these martyrs they put the bunch of flowers in these garlands फूलका गुच्छाहरु bunch of flower means फूलका गुच्छाहरु and you can say a garland on the neck of these martyrs or the great contributor who did this great contribution for the nation and they give the speech only one day एक दिनमा यस्ता किसिमका गतिविधिहरू गरेर हाम्रा शहीदहरूले गरेको त्यो चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि त्याग पूरा हुन्छ त है। राम्रा राम्रा स्पिचहरू दिएर फुलबुट्टा भरेर जनताहरूलाई चाहिँ एकछिन चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि रमाइलो बनाउने, जनताहरूले ताली पिट्ने, तर उनीहरूका चाहिँ बाल बच्चाहरूलाई स्कलरसिपहरू नदिने, उनीहरूको परिवारहरूलाई नदिने, देयर इज नो ग्यारेन्टी अफ जब अपर्च्युनिटी टु द फ्यामिली अफ दिस मार्टियर्स। इट इज भेरी युजलेस टु सेलिब्रेट द national days. How the question is asked? Listen me carefully. Are you satisfied with the ways the national days are celebrated? तपाई के जति पनि राष्ट्रिय दिवसहरू मनाइन्छ हाम्रो देशमा त्यो मनाउने तरिकाप्रति, वेप्रति तपाईहरू माय डियर स्टुडेन्ट तपाईहरू मतलब सेटिस्फाइड हुनुहुन्छ? लाइक दिस द क्वेसन इज आस्क्ड। इफ नट, यदि तपाई हाम्रो देशको चाहिँ राष्ट्रिय दिवसहरू मनाउने तौर तरिकाहरू मन परेको छैन भने किन मन परेको छैन? आफ्नो विचारहरू दिने 4 पोइन्टमा। यदि मन परेको छ भने किन मन परेको छ? 4वटा पोइन्टहरू दिने। मन परेको छ भने किन मन परेको छ? 4वटा आर्गुमेन्टहरू दिने, विचारहरू दिने। र किन मन परेको छैन? 4वटा एग्रिमेन्टहरू दिने। जसरी लेखे पनि आन्सर करेक्ट हुन्छ। पक्षमा लेखे पनि विपक्षमा लेखे पनि आन्सर करेक्ट हुन्छ। The such types of the questions are asked in this examination. And similarly, prepare a poster after learning the different national days of our nation. Like this also the question is asked in examination. Prepare a poster which reflect one of our national days festival and write down the caption. Like this the question is asked. How we must have to make such types of the caption. Okay. Watch to me here, my student. I would like to rub this of this whiteboard. Or you can create this pamphlet, or you can say banners. Okay, if such types of the question is asked. It is not so hard, very easy lesson this is. We are in lesson 5 of unit 3, our national days. Like this the question is asked. Okay, prepare a poster which reflect one of our national days or festival, same thing. And write down the caption. Shirshak, caption means shirshak, heading. Like this the question is asked. Then how you have to create the answer? First of all, you must have to take the pencil and make what? The box. Like a play card, you have to make, or you can prepare. First of all, you write this. You must have to make what? This box. By pencil, not by pen, not by gel, not by dot. By pencil, you have to make what? The box. By using what? The scale to make it attractive. Okay. Then you have to write what? The caption by giving what? Double inverted comma. Women's are in bold letter. Okay. Not bold, but in this large size. Women are the creatures, like this, creatures of the world. Okay, give them knowledge, skills, and rights. And close it with inverted comma. And in downside in bold letter now. Now bold letter. And what we are preparing here, the poster. Okay, about what? The Women's Day. Like this you can prepare about the Democracy Day, Constitution Day, International Labor Day. Okay. The woman's right. Like this. Now you close with this box. Okay. The women are the creator of this world. विश्वको सिर्जना गर्ने नै के हुन् त भन्दाखेरि जननी महिलाहरू हुन्. त गिभ देम द नलेज, उनीहरूलाई के दिनु पर्यो? ज्ञान दिनु पर्यो, स्किल्सहरू दिनु पर्यो, शिक्षाहरू दिनु पर्यो, अधिकारहरू दिनु पर्यो. They must not be limited only inside their four wall of the kitchen. And we male must not think they are the machine to produce only their children. So whatever their knowledge, skills, right, that is required for these women, that must be given to these women for their overall development in their life. Like this you have to create the answer. Okay, the question is like this. Prepare a poster which reflect one of our national days or festivals and write down this caption. कुनै पनि हाम्रो राष्ट्रिय दिवसलाई झल्काउने है एउटा पोस्टर तयार गर्नुहोस् भनेको छ तपाईहरु विद्यार्थीहरुलाई. यदि यसरी क्वेशन आयो भने कसरी आन्सर क्रिएट गर्ने त? I am focusing here about this women's right. First of all, you have to create something in your mind. Women are must not be as bound only inside this four wall of the kitchen, or we must not think they are only this machine to produce their children, because they are a creature of this earth. They created to us also, and you all, yes, my dear student, too. So that we have to create the best caption, or we can say posture. How then? Kasari. The women are the creature of this world. Give them knowledge, give them skills and the rights. And lastly, women's right. Like this, you have to make what the poster, and to make more attractive, you just do like this, like play card. I think most of the students, they are participating in these rallies in different occasion from the school level, and you have participated in this rally too. I believe so. There is no doubt. Like this, you have to create what? The poster. If question is asked, to prepare any poster that reflect to any national days. Like this, my dear student, whatever the question is asked in your examination, you have to give the creative answer like this. So we are here to give these ideas to you, and how much you grip our knowledge and ideas, that depends upon you all. And this much for today. Okay. And I am thankful to my dear students who are watching me, and tomorrow again we will meet on the same time. And thank you very much, and have a nice day. Thank you very much. कस्तो भयो आज గ్యారేజ్ వస్తుంది సార్